We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. Hi and welcome to the channel. First, let's have a look at the chords contained in this song. So you're gonna have the G sharp minor played with the B, the D sharp, and the G sharp, and the bass note of G sharp. Then you'll have the C sharp minor played with the C sharp, the E, and the G sharp, and the bass note of C sharp. Then A major played with the C sharp, the E, and the A, and the bass note of A. And then final chord, B major, played with the D sharp, the F sharp, and the B, with the bass note of B. As usual, feel free to download the PDF file associated with this song so that you have an even better understanding of the chords. There's going to be no introduction for this song, so let's start by learning the verse. So here's the corresponding table for that first section. So play the first chord, A major, and hold it for 4 beats, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4. Then B major, 1, 2, 3, 4. C sharp minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. The whole table would then sound like this. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. And you just continue the table. We don't love anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. Na 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 na. Verse. So for that next section, the table is going to be very similar as you can see, and here's how you will play those chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're gonna repeat that first section 3 times and then second section. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now with the lyrics. I just heard you found the one you've been looking for. I wish I would have known that wasn't me. 'Cause even after, and you repeat the first section 2 more times, and when you reach I overdosed, you play the second section. I overdosed, should've known your love was a game. Now I can't get you out of my brain. Ooh, it's such a shame that we don't talk anymore. Chorus. Here I only sang excerpts because you will have the entire song in a schematic form tomorrow. So now for the chorus section, well, you'll only have to play these 4 chords, which by the way stayed in the same order since the beginning. I'll sing you an example right now. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. No, 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 no. And you just repeat this table once more. So twice in total to complete the chorus. The second verse and second chorus are gonna be identical to the first ones, so just replay the corresponding tables. And at the end of the second chorus, you will have an interlude which you'll be able to play by repeating the chorus table once again. I wish you good luck and I'll see you tomorrow for the entire song. Take care. Bye.